stunning city in the KSA, and it's basically known for its cool climate, lush green landscapes, and these mountains that are covered in fog. A very nice traditional village with good culture. It's good to escape the desert heat and then just come to this place and work. And what I wanted to tell you guys today is I kind of wanted to pull back the curtains and show you how our agency operates behind the scenes. So if you run an agency, or if you're someone who is a very methodical person, I think this could help you with efficiency and scalability, because this is how we have structured our systems, right? So the first thing is client onboarding. So the moment a client comes and signs up with us, we don't just send him a contract and call it a day. We try to have this automated system where we collect assets like ad account, brand guidelines, login credentials, get their previous data. And we also use a couple CRMs, but nothing too concrete. You have HubSpot, you have Zoho, and Notion is always a very good platform. But just use these CRMs to make sure that you have all this data in one place. Or if you are a fan of Excel or Google Sheets, that also works. The second thing that we do is we come up with a strategy and start building out creatives. Even before we spend a single rupee or a single dollar, what we do is we analyze our clients' competitors and build out their personas. Then our creative team gets to work by designing all the copy, the visuals, coming up with video ideas, just to make sure that they align with the brand. And a pro tip would be always run A/B testing to test out, to check which creatives perform better. And the third thing that we do is related to ads, where we try to have everything set before the launch. And I think this is a very important aspect, because a lot of agencies that I've seen struggle in this area, where they aren't able to get the clients the results that they need. And that was the same case with us too. I mean, earlier when we started to go in and create general ads, I don't think it paid off really well. But yeah, since then we've learned a lot, and we've tried to track everything that we do, the CTRs, the CPMs, the conversion rate, the ROAS. If something isn't working, we tend to tweak that immediately, and we try to keep this automated rules in place to get the best return and just try to maximize ROI for our clients. And the last thing that we do is client reporting, and this is, I think, what is the major factor when it comes to retention, right? When you send out regular reports and when you have weekly connects, this keeps clients engaged, and just to show that their investment is generating results. And it's a general rule of thumb that happy clients tend to stay longer, right? And that is where agencies make a lot of money. And yeah, these are some of the core principles that kind of keeps our agency running like a well-oiled machine. And it's very important to have these systems in place, especially when you're scaling, and that is basically what separates you from growing versus struggling. Guys, the craziest thing happened. We were about to miss our flight to Dubai in 1 minute. We were 5 minutes late, no bro?
Yeah.
The cops got all pissed, and
They were enjoying this ultimate, and then
yeah.
boom.
What would have happened? Imagine if you would have missed the flight, would have been stuck in the KSA.
But see, this is our flight.
As you can see, we are the only ones who are coming late, so Alhamdulillah, we got
all
it.
298 passengers are waiting for us to board the flight.
Oh my God.